how to open the boot on an Audi A5 if the battery of the car is completely dead. Now normally you would pull this button here, that isn't working. Also the button on the actual boot is also not working. So the first thing you need to do is to get to the inside of the boot, and by doing that we're going to release the lever on these seats. Now as you can see there's lots of stuff in the boot, so we're going to have to move everything. I'm just going to get this down also to make it a bit easier, but we're going to have to move a lot of this stuff out before we can actually get into the boot. So let's get going. Right, so the boot is now empty, and the bit we want to get to is this bit here. That small circular thing there is what we need to get to, because that's how we're going to release the catch of the boot. So let's climb in here.
Daddy, I need help.
Come on, you can fit into.
I can't.
Right, I'm going to set the camera up and then I'll show you how to release this. There we go. So now the cap is removed. This is what it looks like inside.
That's cool.
This bit here, you put the screwdriver and then you push it to the right. And there we go, that has released the latch of the boot.
Oh my, Daddy, we didn't get